Hello folks, here is a short update of where I've gotten so far with the Friden. As you can tell, it's looking a little bit different, and that is because I have removed the carriage from it. So here we go, here's the thing itself. I'll just pan the camera over a little bit, see if I can get some better light going. So this is the main display unit of the Friden calculator, and as you can notice, I'm being a bit of a poser and holding it upside down. So here we have it. This is how it would slide back and forth while the machine does its work. So the carriage itself is a very solid, robust assembly, kind of its own independent unit in how it works. It's pretty neat how Friden has made its thing sort of use a modular approach, almost like you'd see in functions in modern programming. So here we have the clearing feature for the counter register. You see there are a couple of things that slide back and forth here, and I will try to zoom in a bit for you. And as you can see, it just slides back and forth across these gears here. Now the gears have a little detent in them. Not sure if you can see, but there we go. That corresponds to the 0 position. So when I pull this to the side, it will be stepped back to 0, and it will be cleared. Just like that. And you can also tell that I'm wearing some rubber gloves because this thing is oily as heck. I don't know if heck is oily. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. Boiling? Nah, it's heck. It's probably just simmering oil. Anyway, here we have then the accumulator register with the little twirlers on top that stick out of the machine that you can use to manually adjust the setting. And these are cleared with actually the top lever that clears both the accumulator and the counters. So if we look here, there we go, all cleared. If I flip it over on the other side, one of the dial twirlers pops off. Interesting. And here we can see the individual gear wheels that are responsible for handling, adding, and subtracting. An interesting thing to note is that as we get further to the right, they get progressively filthier. That is because, as the default for the machine, these ones would be out in the open and therefore exposed to the environments, while these ones here would be more deeper within the machine. You can also see the carry function here that has that when something goes to and from 0, this little latch here moves and does something that results in a carry operation being done. I'm not entirely sure what yet. And here we have another dial twirler coming off. Sorry. Here we have the buttons for selecting the number of decimal positions during a division. This is used by the machine in order to select the number of decimal positions you want to use when dividing. On that note, I'm gonna get back to fussing with the thing. I think there are definitely still a few ways to go before any actual calculations might be carried out. But as the saying goes, all in due time. Thank you for watching.